Okay, class, in continuation sa ating discussion, the third method, amo na niya ang gitatawag na utilization of biological processes. So, processes na good sa organisms, ano na ginagamit or may data technologies na aton gin used is the biological processes. So we have here the modern biotechnology. So amo na inihiyaan modern biotechnology and recombinant DNA technology. So ikukumpara natin itong mga traditional at saka conventional breeding. In recombinant DNA technology, mas maupay na niya result kaya naman. Kay magamit lang niya in small block of desired genes. So ini na desired genes amo nihiyaan responsible sa characteristics na aton karuyag or bagan may purpose. Dili kasi pareha sa itong traditional na breeding, traditional or conventional na mga approaches hadto, dili kita kasi makakuha hin specific. Ito good na aton karuya good na makuha na characteristics both plants and animals. Kasi pag nagbe-breed ka mo ng plants to plant or animals to animals, kung breeding la conventional, posible may mga characteristics na ano man ma-shared na diri kanais-nais diri maupay. So, amo ni recombinant itugod lang ang genes na karuyag naton ipapadamo or prolify, prolify, padamuon. So in recombinant DNA technology class, it plays a vital role in improving health conditions by developing new vaccines and pharmaceuticals. Then the treatment strategies are also improved by developing diagnostic kits, monitoring devices, and new therapeutic approaches. Then, in the recombinant DNA technology, a series of procedures that are used to join together or combine. So, DNA segments. So, magko-combine lang kasi mga nina na karuyag lang na DNA segments or genes na i-combine para maka-derive ka mahin pure good ito na may dito na characteristics. So, here, we have here the methods of making recombinant DNA. So, first method is the transformation. So, let's read ano sa overview niya to combine DNA from different sources, animals ba, plants or bacteria or fungi, virus. First, you have to isolate DNA of the target organism. So, for example, yun sa biological process i-understudy. So, may ka mo nakita na characteristics sa halaman or sa hayop na or sa biyaski ano na kuan. For example, bacteria, fungi, virus mo na maupay hiya. So, kailangan niya ito hiya ma-isolate. So, DNA isolation. Tapos, ma-identify niyo ito hiya sa classical genetics. And then after that, magamit ang use regression enzymes to cut the strand and afterwards ligate ito cloning vector. So, didi, nakita naton na ini na agent maupay hiya. For example, firefly. Sa ano ni, sa fly or firefly. So, may DNA na responsible. Ano man na, for example, mag-glow hiya. Tapos, nakita mo na ito niya na amoy ng DNA strand or segments. So, i-cut mo ito na DNA into fragments. Pag na-cut mo na hiya, mamiling ka ito yan vector. Usually, ini na pink color, amoy niyan plastids. So, i-open up nimo tapos inihiya na DNA fragments is combine nimo didi. So, paano kung na-combine na nimo, padamuon hiya tapos i-select clone with gene A. So, kung hinuan may gene A didi, asyan mo i-select. So, paano daw ito pagkat? Sa rin kanina, restriction enzymes to cut DNA strand. So, amo na ito hiya. Tapos, igadto nimo sa vector, amanin vector. Then, transform recombinant DNA molecule into host cell. Each transformed cell will divide several times to form a colony of millions of cells, each of which carries recombinant DNA molecule or DNA clone. So, ini pag magdamo na, may DNA ito na gene A. So, inihiya na gene A, man responsible sa, for example, maupay na itsura, maupay na, or basta kita productive or sample makinis na skin or masangita matamis na bunga. So mapadamo nimo hiya diri paresan conventional na damo ito ng mga klase-klase sa DNA na pwede makadi or makadto sa iba na or ma-result. Ang result na damo na characteristics diri ka maka-specify. Inihiya gud ma-specify gud nimo na inihiya na cell or inihiya na clone may dagod na gene A. So may inihiya class first method is the transformation. So sa transformation ato i-discuss para i-discuss na to sa hindi pa na to pag-discuss. So here, isolating DNA. So paano daw ini? DNA extraction is a procedure used to isolate DNA from the nucleus of cells. So first steps are used to remove and purify DNA from the rest of the cell. So i-isolate mo din na karuyag niyo may dagiti na lysis, precipitation, wash, tapos resuspension. So ini subcutaneous na yun lysis, precipitation, wash, resuspension. Para dili maghalaban oras na doon kamo na ito pag research kung dili pa ini sapat ma-understand niyo. And then same kanina example kanina, so na-identify nimo tapos magkuha ka itong vector tapos i-connect nimo iniya ka sa mga plasmids. And then after ma-isolate nimo hiya and DNA na karuyag niyo may day nididihin tawag na cutting DNA. So pag cutting anong gagamiton? Enzymes. May ito enzymes. DNA can be cut into large fragments by mechanical shearing, sonication, and nebulization. Inihiyan ng mga terms. Sige ba? Assignments ko na ininiyo. Then we have here the restriction enzymes. Are scissors of molecular genetics. So example enzyme cut, dispersion, and transformento. So for example, inihiya pagkat niya mo na inihiyaan result inihiyan ang pagkatin magamitin na restriction enzyme. So nakat mo na separate mo na. Next is i-join din mo. So kinakat mo na din so i-join mo na. So once you've isolated and cut the donor and vector DNAs, they must be joined together. So DNA are mixed together in a tube. If both have been cut with the same restriction enzymes, the ends will match up because they are sticky. So DNA ligase enzyme is the glue of molecular genetics that hold the ends of the DNAs together. DNA ligase creates a polyester bond between two DNA ends. So mononin vector and plasmid may dakay iton enzyme para pag-cleavage niya or pagpakat niya tapos may dakay ni DNA ini ng mga DNA as responsible for example mahusay manaksot or ini hata sa mubo. So pagkat pwede mo na igsumpay didi. So example na to class so ini mga characteristics supposedly. Tapos pag-combine na nimo so amo na tapos what if kung ma-combine na nimo ang next is i-amplify nimo. To recover large amounts of the recombinant DNA molecules, it must be amplified. This is accomplished by transforming the recombinant DNA into a bacterial host strain. So the cells are treated with chemical, tapos added cells are heat shock at 42 degrees then DNA goes into cell by somewhat unknown mechanism. So niya pa kadto sa porepin na yan na mechanism basta amali niya steps on pagpa-amplify. Then ma-replicate na hiya with the cells device. The replicated molecules go to both daughter cells which themselves will divide later as the DNA is amplified. So ma-amplified na. So for example as DNA clone, a section of DNA that has been inserted into vector molecule and the replicated host cell form a mini campus. So now the question is how this DNA can be transferred into other target species, for example plants or animals. The mechanism is illustrated on the right side. So ammonia and plant cell tapos agrobacterium. So first bacterial attachment, ma-attach ito din sa cell ang bacteria sa plant cell. Tapos next is sensing plant signals. So may dito mga plant signals. Tapos number 3, tDNA and virus proteins transport. So mag-transport na hiya didi. Tapos number 4, tDNA and effectors nuclear import. So ano man mag-import na, magbagan ma-attach or makakuha dito. Tapos 5, tDNA integration and expression. So amo na ma-attach ang bacterium sa plant cell, tapos may mga signals, tapos ma-transfer didi, and then ma-integrate na, ma-express, basahon ta. Attachment of Agrobacterium tumefaciens to the plant cell, sensing plant signals by tumefaciens and regulations of virulence genes in bacteria following transduction of the sense signals. Thus, generation and transport of tDNA and virulence proteins from the bacterial cells to plant cells. So, amo na yun tanggal hiya, tapos kadto na dito. As nuclear import of tDNA and effector proteins in the plant cells, tDNA integration and expression in the plant genome. So, may express, it could be sa niya disruptions, magawas ni tumor, may mga tumor, baga kung sa kuan ba ni pag nagsasamad gay doon, nagsasamad gay doon, kuan, bagay doon, di ba may dito bagan kugal kung sa tao pa. So, ini example ni didi sa roots sa dayon, Agrobacterium tumefaciens sa soil pathogen or plant pathogen that naturally infects plant wound sites and causes crown gall. So, crown gall. This is by delivery of transferred tDNA from bacterial cells into host plant cells through the bacterial type 4 secretion system. So, T4SS. So, class. Tapos, so, harboring the tumor-inducing plasmid-induced galls on roots and crowns of numerous dicot angiosperm species and some gymnosperms. Plasmid subnormal. So, induces abnormal root production on host plants. So, na ang reaction sa bacteria. Doon na ma-attach siya, tapos makasense, tapos while na-attach siya may dahil ni mga signals, tapos ma-transfer na inihiyaan gene or ito na DNA strand dito sa plants. Tapos ang reaction ini may disruption cytokinin auxin magtaas ani reaction sa danom. So in cytokinin auxin kung makadto kita sa tissue culture, responsible ni sa mga cell division and cell growth. So cytokinin magpahadamo ini siya sa dahon, tapos auxin sa root formation. So amoy niya class kita nyo gano'n ko rin, pero medyo okay ulit understand din The next method is the bacterial transformation. So next na ito kay kukulang na oras.